problem solving and supports dynamic workflows, allowing you to adapt and iterate with ease. For engineers pushing AI's boundaries and seeking new frontiers, PyTorch is an absolutely essential tool. It's not just a tool, it's far more than that. It's a comprehensive platform for innovation and groundbreaking discoveries. Now let's talk MATLAB, the king of engineering simulation, now supercharged with AI. MathWorks has integrated deep learning and reinforcement learning directly into MATLAB and Simulink. This means you can model physical systems and train AI within the same environment, no switching tools. With dedicated toolboxes and visual design apps, MATLAB makes AI accessible for engineers working on control systems, autonomous vehicles, and more. If your projects bridge the physical and digital worlds, MATLAB streamlines everything from simulation to deployment. It's the unified platform for engineering and AI. Enter AutoML. Tools like Google's AutoML H2O.ai, and AutoKira's automate the tedious parts of machine learning. AutoML handles data prep, model selection, and hyperparameter tuning, letting you focus on solving real problems. It's a game changer for engineers who need results fast without deep ML expertise. While you lose some control, AutoML often delivers top-tier models in a fraction of the time. Use it to quickly establish baselines or deploy solutions when speed matters. For efficiency and accessibility, AutoML is indispensable. Finally, let's explore the Jupyter Notebook, your interactive digital lab. Think of it as a versatile workbench specifically designed for AI, machine learning, and data science endeavors. Jupyter lets you seamlessly combine live, executable code, insightful visualizations, bringing data to life, and clear narrative text all within a single shareable document. This makes exploration, experimentation, and prototyping incredibly seamless and efficient. Its cell-based workflow is particularly well-suited for step-by-step analysis, allowing you to break down complex tasks. It also simplifies debugging and streamlines the process of sharing your results with others. It's become the standard for collaboration in the field, enabling you to easily walk colleagues or stakeholders through your entire data science process, from the initial ingestion of raw data to the deployment of your final model. Supporting a wide array of over 40 programming languages with a special emphasis on Python, Jupyter is the environment where innovative ideas are conceived, tested, and ultimately refined. Whether your focus is on building sophisticated machine learning models or crafting compelling data stories through visualizations, you'll likely find yourself spending a significant amount of time working within Jupyter. It's truly the essential canvas for all forms of modern computational and data-driven work. There you have it, 5 essential tools that define modern AI engineering. Mastering these platforms sets you apart as a true builder in the AI space. What's your go-to AI tool? Drop your favorites in the comments. I love seeing what the community uses. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.